Hey folks, the newly introduced Mission 1 lineup from GoPro signals a noticeable shift in how compact action cameras are evolving, especially as the brand pushes into what it calls cinema-grade territory. On paper, both the Mission 1 and Mission 1 Pro look nearly identical at first glance, but the deeper you go, the clearer it becomes that they are aimed at slightly different users despite sharing the same foundation. At the core of both cameras is a large 1-inch 50-megapixel sensor, which is a big deal for this category. Action cameras have traditionally struggled with low-light performance due to their smaller sensors, but here, the combination of 1.6 micrometer native pixels and 3.2 micrometer fused pixels suggests a serious improvement in light capture. Paired with GoPro's GP3 processor and an integrated AI neural processing unit, both cameras promise better dynamic range, smarter noise reduction, and more refined image processing. In real-world terms, that should translate into cleaner night footage, more detail in shadows, and overall more cinematic-looking video compared to older GoPro models. Battery life and endurance are another area where the two models are essentially equal. Both use the Enduro 2 battery system, which is designed for extended shooting sessions and improved thermal efficiency. Claimed recording times of over 5 hours at 1080p 30 and more than 3 hours at 4K 30 are impressive for such compact devices, and importantly, both cameras maintain GoPro's rugged DNA with waterproofing up to 20 meters without any additional housing. That alone keeps them firmly in the action camera category despite their cinematic ambitions. Where the split really begins is in video performance. The standard Mission 1 already pushes boundaries with 8K 30 recording and 4K 120 open gate, which is more than enough for most creators. It's capable of producing highly detailed footage with flexibility in post-production thanks to the open gate format. However, the Mission 1 Pro takes things further in a way that clearly targets advanced users. With support for 8K 60 and extreme slow-motion capabilities like 1080p 960, it opens up creative possibilities that the base model simply cannot match. This isn't just about higher numbers on a spec sheet, it directly impacts how footage can be used, whether for professional-grade slow-motion shots or ultra-smooth high-resolution video. Another key difference lies in how each camera fits into a broader production setup. The Mission 1 is more of a standalone device, appealing to users who want a powerful, no-fuss action camera. The Mission 1 Pro, on the other hand, leans heavily into modularity and content creation ecosystems. With various bundles like the Creator Edition and Ultimate Creator Edition, it becomes part of a larger rig that includes external microphones, lighting, battery grips, and expanded I/O options. This transforms it from a simple action camera into something closer to a production tool, suitable for vloggers, filmmakers, and content creators who need more than just point-and-shoot functionality. Despite these differences, both cameras share the same shooting modes and underwater capabilities, including specialized dive mode with tuned stabilization and color science for aquatic environments. This means that whether you choose the Mission 1 or the Pro version, you're still getting a versatile camera that can handle everything from extreme sports to underwater exploration. Ultimately, the decision between the two comes down to how far you want to push your footage. The Mission 1 is already a highly capable and forward-looking action camera that will satisfy the majority of users, especially those upgrading from older GoPro models. The Mission 1 Pro, however, is clearly designed for those who demand the highest possible frame rates, the most flexibility in editing, and the ability to build a more professional shooting setup around their camera. If pricing follows typical patterns, the Pro model will command a premium, but it justifies that with tangible performance gains and expanded functionality. For casual users and even many enthusiasts, the Mission 1 will likely feel more than sufficient. For creators chasing maximum quality and creative control, the Mission 1 Pro stands out as the more future-proof choice. Thanks for watching. What do you think about this comparison? Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day, and God bless you.